Hello everybody and welcome back into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's talk about how to place an order here into Fiverr. So this is a very practical topic. Buying into Fiverr is straightforward, but choosing the right seller and communicating your needs clearly is the key to getting high quality result. So I'm going to be walking you through the 3 simple steps, which is finding a quality seller, choosing the right package, and the crucial step of contacting them before your actual buy. So the first thing is to getting started with searching for the service that you need, right? So here directly I'm into Fiverr. So what I'm going to do here is to sign in, create an actual account. Click here and I'm going to start with the subject that I would like to get started with. If I type, for example, animation, it's going to be showing me a lot of categories. So you don't want to focus with something too broad. You want to be a little bit more specific into what you're actually aiming for, because here into the freelancers we have more than 93,000 people who offer their actual jobs, and you can see the actual preview of all the actual offers that they do have available here into Fiverr and the corresponding price. So if you like one of them, just click directly into them so you can start by checking out the actual gigs. But before that, let's start with something a little bit more specific and not so broad, so I can look for examples that are more likely what I'm actually aiming for, right? So as you can see, here's a lot, but truly a lot of styles of animation. If I want to be focusing only for animation, let's say that I go for something a little bit more specific, like the retro animation. And the retro animation, I have 700 results instead of 93,000. But in these 700 results, let's say all of these people are more likely to find the kind of animation, the kind of work that I'm actually aiming for. This is the way of how we actually start making comparisons, checking out different freelancers and see which one fits for me the best. When I selected one element that I would like to hire, I wanted to check out more information about the client. Well, let's talk a little bit more about the gigs. Now the gigs packages, for example, usually they have 3 package tabs, which is the basic, the standard, and the premium, right? So the basic package usually covers the minimum, maybe one concept and no revisions. The standard usually has the best value, which is offering more revisions, storage files, better delivery time. So you want to look for files and commercial use permission. Always check if the package includes the source files, like the AI file for a logo, or in my case, for example, let's say the project of the applications that this guy is going to be working on, right? So this is going to be really crucial because you wanted to be talking about the communication before you purchased. So do not skip this step, because before you select an actual package, you wanted, of course, to make sure that you click into the contact me button in the gig page, because send to the seller a brief message summarizing your project scope, the timeline, any special requests. You wanted to ask to confirm which package is the best fit for your needs. So this prevents misunderstanding, this confirms the seller is available, and this gives you a written record of your equipment before the actual payment. So you want to take that in mind before checking out this kind of elements, right? And then placing the actual order and providing the actual requirement. So you wanted to enter the details and to confirm. You can check out the order. Fiverr uses a secure payment system. So the final crucial step is in the requirement pages. So as you can see here, have basic information of how you can actually message to the, in this case, the freelance, and these are some common questions that you can ask or somebody asked before, frequently asked questions you might say. And here you can, let's say, for example, ask as many questions as you can possibly can. My actual freelance guy is online, so I can start making actual chit chat before I can make the purchase of this actual product. And this is the actual best way to hire someone here into Fiverr. So as I was saying, the final crucial step is the requirement page, because after making the payment, you must immediately upload all the necessary files, brand guidelines, reference links. Usually what I do is to just add a PDF with the clear instructions of what I'm actually aiming for. So the seller cannot start until you complete this actual step. So it's going to be really crucial to take that in mind, guys, right? So to hire successfully into Fiverr, make sure that you have bet for level 2 sellers, confirm the package includes source files, contact the seller with the clear requirements before you pay, and well, that is actually it. So what is the first gig you're going to buy? You can let me know in the comments below. If this buyer guide was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to TechExpress if you want to see more great tools how you can get started with Fiverr and their actual local sellers. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully with all of this being said, we will see you next time.